We're just doing a little short video for you so that you know how to take it apart and put it back together. So obviously this is what it looks like without the mattress. Okay.
So first you take out the cardboard piece. It's in between the two. And then you have to slide the tires. They're hooked here, so you have to slide it in. And then that gets it unhooked. So you do that to both sides. And then you're able to pick up the top part and bring out the wheels. So you do that on both sides. And then from here, you take this out, so it just pushes right down. So you do that to both sides. And then from here, you're just able to take this off.
Pretty easy. Thank you. Okay, so putting it back together. So first, obviously, you position these two sides close.
Yeah. Push that in. And then you have to kind of tilt this.
Wait, hang on a minute. Hand out a little bit. Okay, so you tilt it.
And then you're able to straighten it.
Maybe you have to do it again.
It doesn't go in straight away, so you might have to do it 2 or 3 times before you get it.
Okay, okay. You know what, can you unhook this one for a sec? Just unhook this side for a second. I just want to see. So this corner piece goes into, oh, so it has to go behind that pin.
Yeah.
There we go, okay.
And then also, this is a different shape than that. So if it doesn't go in right away, you might have to flip it around and make it the wrong side.
Okay. So it's not interchangeable. The top
Right.
is not interchangeable.
No.
Good to know.
So tilt it, make this a pin,
Okay.
straighten it out.
Great.
And put the pieces. So there's a shorter of a side on the inside than the outside, so it's easier to just pick it up a little bit and then just slide it in when you're putting the side pieces on.
There you go. Okay. Great.
And then you just slide this, which you'll have to pick up the bed, set it on top of the wheels.
Oh wait, I wanted to see you do this.
So you slide this, and there's a little cap for you to do that, and then you slide it. I do it on this side. And then it's in here, so then you just have to push it outside so it hooks.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you do that to the sides.
And then you put the card. Oh, you haven't done it this time.
Pull it to the outside, and then you're able to put this back in.
Perfect.
So.
And that's how you do it. And now your little bed is all together. Fantastic. Thank you.